Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of a life where you make $2,000 plus a week with affiliate marketing, even as a beginner? Well, what if I told you there's a game-changing secret we're unveiling today? In this video, we're not only going to teach you how to create a faceless YouTube channel but also reveal how to earn big in the travel niche with affiliate marketing. We'll introduce you to the AI bot that's making this dream a reality for many. But before we dive into this life-changing information, make sure to show some love by smashing that like button, hitting subscribe, and ringing that notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. Let's dig right in. Did you know that over 1 billion people travel internationally each year, collectively spending trillions of dollars on their adventures? According to data from the United Nations World Tourism Organization, the global tourism industry has been experiencing remarkable growth in recent years. In 2019, before the pandemic, international tourist arrivals reached a staggering 1.5 billion people, and they collectively spent over $1.7 trillion on their journeys. This immense scale of travel demonstrates the vast potential for affiliate marketers to tap into this massive market and earn a slice of those trillions in spending. Whether you're promoting accommodations, transportation, tours, or travel-related services, there's a substantial opportunity for affiliate marketers to thrive in this ever-expanding industry. So, with AI bots as your allies, you can strategically position yourself to claim your share of this enormous travel spending pie. Now that we've highlighted the incredible potential of the travel industry, let's dive into how you can harness the AI technology to create compelling content that drives affiliate marketing success. Step 1. Unlock the power of AI with Chat. Imagine this scenario: you want to create a captivating YouTube video about the best places to visit in Australia. What's your first move? Well, it's as simple as heading over to ChatGPT. Just type in this prompt: write me a script for a YouTube video on the topic, the top 5 places to visit in Australia. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will deliver a complete script, complete with scene suggestions, providing you with a powerful foundation for your video content. Step 2. Bring your script to life with Pictory AI. Gone are the days of relying on expensive videographers or spending countless hours on video production. With Pictory, you can effortlessly turn your script into a professional quality video within minutes. Picture this: realistic AI voices, perfectly matched footage, and music all at your fingertips with just a few clicks. To get started, simply follow the link in the description below to sign up for your free trial. Once you've created your Pictory account, click on Script to Video. Give your video a catchy title at the top, then copy and paste the script generated by ChatGPT into Pictory. Click Proceed, and you're on your way to video creation magic. On the next screen, you'll discover a plethora of templates to choose from. Take your time to browse through them and select one that resonates with your topic. When you've found the perfect template, opt for the 16:9 ratio to ensure your video is YouTube ready. Now, here's where the true wizardry of Pictory's AI comes into play. Within seconds, Pictory's remarkable AI bot will automatically generate scenes that perfectly match your script, turning your vision into a reality. Step 3. Crafting a seamless video, editing your script. With our script transformed into a dynamic video using Pictory AI, it's time to ensure that every scene aligns perfectly with the text. This step is crucial to keep your audience engaged and informed. Here's how to do it. 1. Scene splitting. For scenes with substantial text, it's essential to break them down. You want only one short sentence per scene to maintain viewer engagement. To split a scene, move your cursor to where you want the next scene to start and then click on Split Scene. 2. Unlinking scenes. To avoid having all scenes identical, you'll need to unlink them. This ensures that each scene is unique and matches the corresponding part of your script. 3. Deleting scenes. If you ever find the need to remove a scene, don't worry, it's a breeze. Just highlight the scene you want to delete, then click on the bin icon located on the right-hand side of the screen. Repeat these steps diligently for all scenes to craft a seamless video that flows effortlessly with your script. Step 4. Perfecting your visuals, customizing your video. Now that our script has undergone meticulous editing, it's time to fine-tune the visuals. While Pictory AI does an impressive job of matching script to visuals, it's not always flawless. This step ensures your video is not only informative but visually captivating as well. Here's how to make it happen.
1. Visual customization. As you review each scene, you can make adjustments to the text layout or size to optimize readability and visual appeal.
2. Handling split scenes. Recall the split scenes we created in the previous step? Now, we need to find new visuals for these sections. To do this, click on the Visual tab and type in the keyword that best fits the content of the scene. 3. Repeat and refine. Continue this process for the entire video.
It's essential to maintain a cohesive and engaging visual narrative throughout.
Step 5. Boost your earnings adding your affiliate link.
Now, let's take your video to the next level by integrating your affiliate marketing strategy. This step is where the magic happens, turning your content into a revenue-generating machine.
Here's how to make it work.
1. Create an affiliate account. Begin by setting up your affiliate account with TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor offers a remarkably generous commission structure, allowing you to earn at least 50% of the commission they receive from hotel bookings when users come through your trackable affiliate link.
2. Strategically place your affiliate mention. Now, you need to find the perfect spot in your video to mention your affiliate link.
It's crucial to insert it at a suitable point, ensuring it doesn't disrupt the flow of your content. Avoid placing it in the middle of a sentence for a seamless viewing experience.
3. Adding affiliate mention. When you've identified the right moment, click on the plus icon and select Text and Visuals.
In the text box, craft a message like, "For more information about your trip, head over to our trusted travel partner, TripAdvisor." It's one of the largest and most reputable online travel information websites globally.
You can find the link in the description below. This reassuring message will encourage viewers to click on your affiliate link.
For Showcase TripAdvisor, to enhance the credibility of your affiliate, consider including a dedicated scene about TripAdvisor.
You can even do a quick screen recording, showcasing the TripAdvisor website. Once recorded, upload this footage to Pictory for seamless integration into your video. Step 6. Bring your video to life adding a voiceover. To put the finishing touches on your video, let's add a compelling voiceover. This step will make your content even more engaging and professional. Here's how to do it.
1. Access the audio section. Head over to the audio section in the navigation panel of Pictory.
Once there, select the VoiceOver tab. 2. Choose the perfect voice. Take your time to listen to a few voice options available and select the one that best suits the tone and style of your video. Let's have a listen to a few voices.
The right voiceover can add depth and personality to your content, enhancing the viewer's experience.
3. Download your completed video. With the voiceover chosen, simply click on the download button.
Within a matter of minutes, your video will be ready, polished to perfection and ready to share with your audience.
Step 7. Share your masterpiece on YouTube. We've reached the culmination of your journey to affiliate marketing success. It's time to share your video with the world on YouTube. Here's how to do it.
1. Create an eye-catching title. Craft a catchy and engaging title for your video. This title should not only grab the attention of potential viewers but also reflect the content and allure of your video.
2. Include your affiliate link. This is crucial.
In the video's description, be sure to prominently place your affiliate link.
Make it clear and accessible for viewers.
When they click on this link and book their travel, you'll start earning those lucrative commissions.
Now, it's your turn. Are you ready to seize the incredible potential of affiliate marketing and AI? Share your thoughts in the comments section and hit that subscribe button to join our community of savvy marketers.